All right, I am standing in a area that is a bunch of olive gardens. This area was once part of the king's palace, and this is now an open space for all people to kind of go. And there's a wonderful reservoir that you saw there. It is very interesting. It has like the Atlas Mountains that are in the background. It is absolutely beautiful, and I'm glad that I could show you this aspect, because when you go to Mediterranean climates, you have olive trees, and that's a huge resource for making olive oil and commerce and such. So this is a very vital aspect to the economy in these regions of the world. So I know I haven't really hit a lot of things about olives through my travels with Portugal, but that's also another thing that is very important with the economy, is to have olives, to eat the olives, to make the oils, to cook the foods. So yeah, that's one of the cool things. But we'll go ahead and continue on. I am here in the Saadian Tombs, exploring a little bit more of the culture here in Marrakesh. This is definitely one of the more interesting spots to check out when you are here.
All right.